FC Goa resumes their ISL campaign tomorrow when we take on Hyderabad FC here at Fatoda. And right now we have the pre-match press conference going on, and with us we have head coach Manolo Marquez and defender Nim Dorji Tamang. So as usual, we'll start with questions for Nim and later move on to coach. So right now is when Nim will take questions.
Nim,
Nim would be more comfortable in Hindi. So.
yes. निम आपने नेक्स्ट सीजन के बारे में कुछ सोचा है? आपका कॉन्ट्रैक्ट तो सीजन एंड तक FC गोवा में है, उसके बाद आपने कुछ सोचा?
अभी तक तो कुछ नहीं सोचा। तो अभी जैसा है हम लोग का लीग ख़त्म हो जाएगा तो देखता हूँ।
Nim, a little louder please.
Yeah, they are recording.
आपने नेक्स्ट सीजन के बारे में कुछ सोचा नहीं होता?
अभी तक नहीं सोचा क्योंकि अभी जैसा ये ख़त्म हो जाएगा मैच, ये लीग का मैच, उसके बाद देखता हूँ।
आप अपने परफॉर्मेंस से खुश है? और जब आप आए थे FC गोवा में, FC गोवा तो अनबीटन टीम थे, चैम्पियनशिप के लिए फाइट कर रहे थे। अभी थोड़े रिजल्ट्स अच्छे नहीं हुए तो इसलिए चैम्पियनशिप के चांसेस ज़्यादा नहीं है। तो आपको पर्सनली कैसा लग रहा है और टीम का मूड कैसा है?
नहीं, टीम का मूड तो अच्छा है क्योंकि अभी हम लोग और 3 मैच है, अगर 3 मैच जीतेगा तो हम लोग भी 45 ऐसा पहुँचेगा पॉइंट। तो कुछ भी हो सकता है, वो बोल नहीं सकते अभी। तो हम लोग अगर सील के लिए नहीं जाएगा, अभी हम लोग अगर सेकंड में रहेगा तो बहुत अच्छा है।
और आपने कोच के साथ हैदराबाद में काम किया था, अभी FC गोवा में भी आप वही कोच है, तो कोच के बारे में कुछ बोलना सकेंगे? और आपके मैच में हैदराबाद और यहाँ से कितना इम्प्रूवमेंट होगा, कितना फर्क होगा?
कोच का साथ तो ऑलवेज मेरे को अच्छा लगता है कि ऑलवेज पुश करता है कोच, और ऑलवेज पुश करता है हम लोग को। और क्योंकि कोच के साथ जब भी था मैं, तब मैं अच्छा खेला कि मेरे को अच्छा लगता है। कोच डांटता भी है तो पुश करता हूँ मैं खुद का खुद। तो अगर कोच था, हैदराबाद में भी था, इसीलिए हम लोग बहुत इम्प्रूव हुआ था। सब हर एक प्लेयर का इम्प्रूव हुआ था, और इधर भी हम लोग आया, अभी कोच का अंदर में खेल रहे हैं तो और इम्प्रूव करना चाहता है और इम्प्रूव कर रहे हैं।
We'll move on to questions for coach.
Coach, looking back at the season, after you've taken a break now, you've got refreshed. Looking back at the season, are you more angry at the loss in Kerala or the draw in Delhi? What upsets you more?
Was more than this, or this game was this part of the season where we didn't get to win. I think we were 6 games, no, with 3 draws and 3 defeats, and it's true that this happens in football, but my feeling is that it's not normal that our team concede in both games. 7 goals in 45 or 4 in Kerala and 3 in Punjab in 45 minutes. And but again, for sure that if you ask the same question to the other coaches, they will remember some games that maybe if they, one example, if Mohun Bagan finally they are not champion, they will remember the defeat against Chennai day before or 2-3 days ago. All teams more or less, they have these up and downs. The problem is that when you start very good the season, it's not the same feeling that if it's the opposite. If you play the first leg with the scores that we are getting now, and you finish during all one complete leg unbeaten, but finally the season, let's see. Still, when the break finished, we were thinking, let's see, and in first game Odisha drew, second game Kerala Jamshedpur drew, third game Mohun Bagan lost, only Mumbai and Odisha now. But it's in our control only is to try to win the games, and first is the Hyderabad game, to try to arrive to the best position as possible.
Coach, does the fight for the trophy give you the same level of satisfaction than the fight for the shield? Especially because there's not much at stake when you win the trophy now, except for the money.
Yeah, for me, I know that FC1 never won the playoff, no, but in fact, yeah, to win the shield, I never won the shield. I won the trophy, or we won the trophy, but my feeling is that we were in a very good position to try to win the shield that we spoke now. But this is football, and obviously, I don't want to criticize but for me, one competition where you finish the regular season and there is a slot for Asian competition, the playoff for me doesn't make too much sense. No, it's okay. Only even the champion of ISL will be the winner of the shield winner. Yes.
Coach, will tomorrow's match be an easy one? What are your thoughts on that?
The game tomorrow, we don't know. In this moment, in my opinion, it's very easy to play in Hyderabad, because if they lose, nothing happens. If they draw against Northeast, they celebrate a party. If they win against Chennai, you can imagine what they did. But in fact, it's not my Hyderabad. Of course, I have a lot of esteem for legends in Hyderabad like Katimani or Joao, and some young players were with us, Rabi, Maka, Marzo Tampuya, or Alex Agi, Rafi. But in fact, I miss the main players in that team. I miss the staff, the former staff. Finally, now I check the bench, and I don't know, practically maybe two people I know in the bench. And finally, when 2 years ago you are fighting for the ISL and now you are celebrating these scores, maybe something is not working in the correct way. But I tell in every press conference that is a team that it's painful to check how they are in this moment, because I think that Nim was there, Asier was there, were 3 incredible seasons. And again, we spoke about this when we play in February, after the break, the first game in Hyderabad. It's very easy to destroy things that they are very difficult to build. And this is the situation now in Hyderabad, with a very young lads, very good young lads, that they are, the main target for them is to continue in ISL next season, and some of them are showing good quality that they can play. Then it's a very dangerous team, because they can enter in the pitch and okay, let's see what happened. Practically the other day against Mumbai, they create one chance in the minute 1. In Chennai, they won, but was a game that if it finished 4-4, was okay. I think that this is a team that always, when in the moment that only Joao is there as a foreigner, we say, oh, they will lose all games easy. Nobody, no team, no one beat them with a great score, and means that they are competitive. They have good players, but I feel that this is not my Hyderabad.
Coach, are you planning to make any changes for the match tomorrow? Maybe try out something that you wish?
Yeah, the thing is that we play 3 consecutive games. Obviously, we need to try to get the 9 points, and we have 5 players with 3 yellow cards. Then it's possible that some of them. Let's see, because finally, if you don't win tomorrow, we are thinking about this still. It's not if I know these players won't play, I would tell you. But maybe not everyone, but maybe some of them will be in the bench. But you never know. Maybe you need them in the second half. You put them, and then they receive the 4 yellow card. Then we had to still, let's see, to think about if it's okay or not, or maybe it's opposite. No? Maybe we can start with them, and if the game is okay, that I hope, I repeat, respecting, because it will be a difficult game, then you can substitute these players, no? But we don't know. But finally, some of them will play, and some of them maybe will be in the bench.
Any word on Leander, whether he's back?
Leander is back. We have all the 25 available players are available. Yes, all players are ready.
Coach, like you said just now, we play 3 games very close, like between tomorrow and April 14th. Out of which 2 games are at home, at our home ground. So, do you think, how much of an influence do you think fans who show up if they show up in large numbers, etc., will play, in this very crucial part of the season?
Always is better to play at home than away. It's true that our scores away, the only game that we lost was in Kerala. The other games, I think 4 or 5 draws. Yeah. But we lost more games at home than away. But it's true that the team is more comfortable playing at home with the supporters, with the fans. And yes, we need. I know that when you play, Friday it was okay, no? But when you play during the week, it's not easy to go to the stadium. But I miss this game that you play in the weekend with more people in the stadiums. But of course, that we are very grateful to them, and we need them to win these 2 games. I think that at least the competition is very exciting, no? Yeah. In terms of who will be the champion, who will qualify for the 6th position, is at least is very good for ISL.
Any more questions? All right, thank you, coach.
Thank you.
For your time.
Thank you.
Good luck for tomorrow.